Few days back, I got a beautiful WhatsApp quote which read, "Health is a relationship between you and your body." So, by following few simple things in our diet like reducing oil or fats and curtailing the intake of sugar and salt in our diet, we are taking a step forward towards a healthy relationship with our body. With that message, let's start the making of no sugar and no oil Khaman.
Hello everyone, welcome to Hobby Concepts, and this is Raj.
Today, we are making no sugar and no oil Khaman or Khaman Dhokla. Yes, you heard that right. Khaman without oil and without sugar. It's slightly different from the traditional way. But yes, we could use oil only for tempering. So, without any further delay, let's get started. As usual, I would like to divide my preparations into parts for ease. First, let's make the batter for the Khaman. I'm making it for 3 to 4 persons. So, in a bowl, let's add 3 cups of besan, and to it, let's add around 3¼ cups of water. Now, while adding water, we need to add little at a time to make a thick paste initially. This will avoid forming of lumps in the batter. The batter needs to be slightly thicker than we had made it for the besan dosa. Link for the besan dosa is in the description box. Usually, in the traditional way of making Khaman, we first start by adding sugar, citric acid and oil. Once the sugar gets dissolved, we add the rest of the ingredients to make the batter. But as this one is a no sugar, no oil Khaman, we start making it directly for this. I must say, this is one of the most wanted recipes among all my friends and family. So, no sugar, no oil Khaman to all my friends, whoever I have missed out sending the recipe, and also to those of my friends who have already tried making it. Now, the batter is ready as per the required consistency. Next, we add asafoetida, turmeric, citric acid and salt, and mix it really well. Can you see these small bubbles? So the mixing is good enough. Cover it and keep it aside. For best results, we need to leave it aside for half an hour or at least for 20 minutes for the besan to soak the water and rise a bit. Now, coming to the second part. While the batter is resting, let's roughly chop the curry leaves, coriander leaves and the green chilies and prepare the tempering and the water. So, let's heat up the oil in medium flame for the seasoning. Once the oil gets warm, add mustard seeds. After the mustard seeds crackle, add the chopped curry leaves. Once the curry leaves are roasted, add asafoetida and give it a mix. Now transfer it to a small plate and keep it aside. In the remaining oil, add the chopped green chilies. Pick up the ones which are less spicy. Once it gets slightly roasted, add salt. Keep stirring for a few seconds. You will see the chilies have become soft and shiny. Now add 1.5 cups of water to this. Allow it to boil. While the water is boiling, add citric acid and let the water come to a rolling boil. In place of citric acid, you can also add lemon juice. Switch off the flame and cover it with a lid. Let this mixture cool down a little. Meanwhile, let's prepare the steamer. Add water to the steamer and start the flame on medium heat. Grease the plates with a little oil and keep it aside. Let's check the batter, as it has been resting for almost half an hour. If need be, add a little water and mix it to get the right consistency. Now add baking soda to the batter and on top of the baking soda, add 1 tablespoon of water and mix it very fast. Water reacts with baking soda and the result, you can see that the batter has almost doubled. Now pour the batter into the greased plates by leaving some room for the khaman to rise, though it does not rise much during the steaming process. Now tap the plates and place it in the steamer for 15 to 18 minutes on high flame. You can also steam it in the pressure cooker. I have greased the tin and poured the batter and giving it a tap. Now place a ring inside the pressure cooker to give it a height and place the tin on the ring. Please do not place the whistle while steaming it in the pressure cooker. After 18 minutes, switch off the flame and leave it for 5 minutes in the steamer. Remove the lid of the steamer and check the khaman with a knife or a toothpick. If it comes out clean, it is done. If not, you can keep it again for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Do not forget to check the water level in the steamers if you have to do so. In this case, the knife is clean, but because it is very hot, khaman has stick to the knife. However, you can see the other plate that was placed has cooled now and the knife has come out very clean. Remove the plates from the steamer and keep it aside to cool. Now, let's check the chilies water mixture. It's slightly cooled now. So, add half of the chopped coriander leaves to the water and keep it aside. Now, the final part. Once the khaman is slightly cool, it will leave the sides of the plates. You can run around the edges with the knife and transfer the khaman to a plate. And flip it again to another plate. Now, cut the khaman into a bite-sized squares and garnish it with the roasted curry leaves and mustard seeds. My daughter, Durva. She could not wait until I poured the water. She tasted it first and did not want me to pour water for her khaman. Pour the boiled water along with the chilies. It becomes hard after a certain time if you do not pour water on the khaman. So, pouring water on khaman is an important step. Do not skip this step. And finally, garnish it with coriander leaves. It's ready to be served as it is, or you can also serve it with ketchup or mint chutney. We like it with the garnished chilies. In case of any leftover khaman, it can be refrigerated for a day and can be steamed for 5 minutes and served warm. Please give this recipe a try and comment on how it was.
That's all for today from Hobby Concepts. Hope you all liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Until next time, live, love, relax, and enjoy your life. Take care.